love lunch at Mendokoro. We've been wanting to try it out ever since it was recommended to us. We'll be going around and today will be a food trip day, so we'll see what else there is to try out. And we are very excited and hungry. You can see how the ramen is being made. Hi, Pop. How are you feeling?
Excited.
How's it?
Very good.
It really was so pretty looking into the glam.
We just finished lunch and we are very, very happy and satisfied, and our stomachs are full. For us, their ramen is one of the best and their noodles are the best. The soup is actually pork based and the flavors are really rich, which is really good. Now we'll be walking around in search for dessert.
When it doesn't exist, so count your sheep and do your dream in the golden shade of memory. Autumn turned cold on the first of the month. Spring took a break since 21. It's all gone to hell like an infidel. Start tossing coins and wishing wells. We carry along now, trying to forget everything we knew. Dead weight, bodies home.
Mom wanted shake, so here we are at Shake Shack. Cheers. are going to eat again. We'll have early dinner at Pink's.
Find me on an island, searching for the silence. I don't need nobody, but I think I just need you. Found my peace and quiet, the noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you. Let's take a trip and picnic on the lonely moon. Maybe soon, how about noon? I'll meet you for a book and coffee downtown past my gloom. I tell our story bravely, how we met, it was crazy. I never thought you'd save me from me, cause I'm so lazy.
I tell you on the daily, our story's not that crazy. I've stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. I feel the way you see me, makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny.
This is actually our third time eating here at Pink's. We ate here twice in a day before the first time we tried it, and we love their chili dogs. It's
I've
the best.
stated very plainly, we did this for us, baby. I feel the way you see me, makes me want you near me. You're catching my eye and I can't deny. I really like this view, love the way you smile, yeah. That sweet and nervous style, yeah. Couldn't say why, but I wanna try. I'll take a chance on you, but now I'm doomed. I fell for you, you got me high. I can't say goodnight, so come into my room. Just me and you, there's something new. Coming close, let's make the most. Show me what you do. You know how to engage me. You talk so sweet like candy, sweet as sugar candy. So smooth, my palms get clammy.
Just grab me by the hand now. No plans, no pins, no anger. You're more than I can handle, but I'll find your favorite angle. I love to feel you near me. Are you free this evening? Let's grab a bite under the moonlight. I don't care what food, I'll tell you sincerely. I thought I was dreaming when you said yes. I never guessed how hard I fall for you. But now I'm doing
So good. Hello, it is the next day and I just wanted to do a quick haul. So yesterday I spent some time trying to decide what books I should get, and these are the titles that we got. Yay! There are quite a lot. So first is Gallant by V.E. Schwab. This is probably the book that I am most excited to start because, for one, the cover is gorgeous that I had to stop myself from reading the EPUB version just so I could get the physical copy. The blurb and the plot is really interesting, and from what I can tell, it is a gothic fantasy novel that centers around the mysteries of the manor. I think the manor is called Gallant, hence the title. Next is The Crooked Kingdom by Leigh Bardugo. It is the second book in the duology Six of Crows and is a fantasy heist book. I already own and read the first book, and both Hugo and I loved it. I really like the Grisha verse, and The Six of Crows is one of the best fantasy stories I've read. The third book we got is Love and Luck by Jenna Evans Welsh, and to be honest, I'm kind of nervous to start it because one of my friends and fellow bookworms said she has mixed opinions about it. Based on the blurb, I think it's about the main characters, Addie and her brother Ian, and their family drama and rocky relationship. Next, we have this Woven Kingdom by Tahara Mafi, and it is thick. It's a forbidden romance, and it is based on Persian mythology about a servant girl who is a long-lost queen who has to save her people. Next, this is actually Hugo's. he got the first book of the Hardy Boys, which is The Tower Treasure. Nancy Drew and Hardy Boys were one of the first few series that I read when I was in elementary. I remember being grade 4 or grade 5 and then borrowing our school library's copies of Nancy Drew and the Hardy Boys. The last 2 books, I actually already read them on my Kindle, but I love them so much that I had to get the physical copies because reading the paperback versions just hit different. So, I got These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. This is one of my favorite books and my brother's favorite book. It is the first book in a Romeo and Juliet retelling and is set in the 1920s in Shanghai. The story is about 2 rival gangs and the main characters, Romeo and Juliet, are the heirs. It's a bit sci-fi and it's enemies to lovers, which is my favorite trope of all time. Plus, Chloe Gong's writing is just so beautiful. And last but definitely not the least is The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid, which is all over BookTok and BookTube, but rightfully so. It's about an iconic actress named Evelyn and she talks about her life and her experiences in the old Hollywood. It's pretty emotional and wrecking, which is probably why I love it so much. So that is all, and hopefully in the future I hope that I could make more videos about the books that I've read and the books that I've loved.